Hello student. Today I am going to start chapter number 8 trigonometry exercise 8.1 first question. And the statement is written in triangle ABC right angled at B. AB is 24 centimeter, BC is 7 centimeter. Find sine A and cos A. So let me tell you there are two angles. The first part they demands for A. In the second, we demand for C. So let me tell you, if you are selecting A angle, this will be perpendicular. Is it okay? So this is the important thing for you. First part I am doing. So before I start, AB is 24 centimeter. AB is 24 centimeter, BC is 7 centimeter. We know that in triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, we know that perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. We know that. Now hypotenuse is missing. 24 square is equal to 7 square is equal to AC square. 576 plus 49 is equal to AC square. AC square is equal to 57, that will be 625. If 625 is there, AC will be under root 625 is equal to 25 centimeter. So I will write with the red pen. It is 25 centimeter. We got the value. Now what is the first part? Sine A. Sine A is perpendicular over hypotenuse. We know that if you are using A angle, see the figure beta, see the figure. If you are using A angle, the opposite side will be perpendicular. Opposite side is perpendicular and adjacent side will be base. Is it okay with you? Hypotenuse is 7 and hypotenuse is 25. What about cos A? Cos A, we know that base over hypotenuse. देखो बेटा, what is base? Any side which adjacent with angle A. जेडी the angle, the side which is adjacent with the A angle. That is 24 by 25. Now let me do the second part. For second part, I will draw another triangle. So what is that? It is A, B, C. Now we will use angle C. Now we know that it is 24, it is 7 and it is 25. I know that when you are taking, you know that if you are taking C angle, opposite side will be perpendicular. Always beta, this is the hint for you. If you are taking C angle, any side opposite to C angle is perpendicular and adjacent side is base. Is it okay? Now I want sine C. Now I am taking C angle. Sine C, we know the definition, perpendicular over hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 7. Now sorry. Perpendicular is 24 in this case. And what is hypotenuse? It is 25. Now second part is cos C. Cos is again base over hypotenuse. Base is 7, hypotenuse 25. So we have done the first question. Now in the second question, let me start with the second question. Now I will do second question. Let me write the statement in figure 8.13. Find tan P minus cot R. I will draw the diagram now. That is already given. Now this is P, this is Q, and this is R. It is figure 8.13. It is already given, it is 12 centimeter, and this is 13 centimeter, and this side is missing. We know that in a right angle triangle, when two sides are given and third side how to find? We know that by Pythagoras in triangle PQR, by Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equal to PQ square, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. We have done in the lower classes also, in 9th, 8th, 9th also. So what is PR? PR in this question which is given 13. What is PQ? It is 12. Which side is missing? This is QR square. It is 169, 144. It is QR square. 169 minus 144 is equal to QR square. QR is 5 centimeter. Clear? Okay. Beta, we have to, with the red pen I am writing, it is 5 centimeter. Now, the difference, firstly, what is tan P? Beta, this is the, with the red pen I am showing the angle. This is a angle P. And opposite side is called perpendicular. Okay. Opposite side, firstly I will write tan theta. Tan P angle is perpendicular over base. Perpendicular, what is perpendicular? Beta, any side opposite to angle P is called base. It is 5 centimeter. What is perpendicular? And the adjacent side with the angle P, any side along with the angle P, it is called base. It is 12. Now cot R. Sorry. Cot R. We know that cot is base over perpendicular. What is beta? Beta, if you are with the blue pen, I am showing the angle R. Okay. Now opposite side will be perpendicular. Any side opposite to given angle is called perpendicular. Now base in this case is 5 and perpendicular is 12. And now according to question, what we have to do? We have to find tan P minus cot R. Tan P is 5 by 12. Cot R is also 5 by 12. Answer is 0. It means we got 0 answer in question number second.